Today we're going to bring an ice machine. It's about 33 pounds. Now it's lightweight, it's easy to install, easy to use. We're going to go over some features so you guys can take a look at it and see what you need to do. Now when you get it out of the package, you cannot start the process. Keep it connected at least for 9 hours and then you can start the process. Now the first set of ice, the 5 set of ice that you do are going to be a little light, so on the 5th one it should be solid, and then you could re-add it and keep adding water. It's easy to do it. Now it takes about 6 to 9 minutes to start the first set of ice, and then you'll see it start coming faster and faster, and then it keeps it nice and cool in the system. You don't have to worry about melting the ice automatically. It's going to keep it all cool within itself. Now it takes about a couple of liters of water to start the process. There's a maximum line that you're going to have to take a look at it, and it's very simple to just add water and push of a button, you'll start getting ice. All right, so we're gonna put some water. There's a max line here. If you guys can see that, we're gonna put the water in here and get it started. So I got a cup of water. I'm gonna start putting some water in here. We'll put some more water in there so we can get to the max line. We're gonna put it in the minimum. We're not gonna go all the way to the top, all right? And then we just put the tray in here. All right, the tray goes in there. You guys can see, and then we're ready to go. We left it overnight already turned on. All we have to do is turn on the power button, and then we added the water already, and ice making is starting. So all right, there goes the first set of ice. You guys can see that. That was quick. It took about 7 minutes to do the ice, and there it goes. We're not gonna add more water. We're gonna wait to see if it finishes all the water first. It's not that loud if you guys could hear it. We're actually doing the New Year's today, so we're waiting for the rest of the ice to come out. And it's taking a couple minutes, but it's all coming out. All right, look at this, guys. It shows that it's full, so it's gonna indicate that it's full, the light, and then you're set to go after you fill it up and you remove the ice. Look how much ice we got. Got plenty of ice. Now the great thing about it, if you turn it off and have the ice melt and it creates water, I'm going to show you another process how to release the water. Now here's a release button. It's actually a plastic silicone cover that you unplug this and all the water is going to start draining. Very simple. It's underneath the actual corner. Overall, the ice machine is a perfect way for you guys to travel with it, take it to parties. Like I said, it needs a couple of hours to accumulate to process, and then after it'll start accumulating ice. Start making ice every 5 to 9 minutes, and it keeps it going. Now, as much as ice as you want, and just make sure that the basket gets full. You're gonna get an indication that the basket is full. So just make sure, be aware that only a couple of cubes that fit in here, maybe 3 or 4 cycles, and you have to remove it, and then you have to add more water too on the process. So easy to use the machine. You are going to need some space in your kitchen or wherever you're at. Just make sure you don't cover the vents too. You need to get that ventilation in there so it can continue creating more ice. Very simple, easy to use, 3-prong connection. I hope you guys enjoy the video.